Assalamu alaikum girls. I hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start chapter number 7, lab work, part 1. Start word application, open my info book document. Move the entire content of page 1 to page 2. Now the whatever is given on the page 1 you have to shift this to page 2. So here is a hint how you can do this step. On your keyboard you have to press Control and Home keys, CTRL home, HOME home, and then press Control and Enter key. So this is how you can move the entire document of page 1 to page 2. Okay. Now apply the following page format setup settings to this document. Go to Layout tab. In Layout tab you will see page setups. Okay, and size should be A4 and margins should be white and orientation landscape. Now after changing the page setup, resize the picture on page 2 as shown. Okay, you can resize the picture if you want to make it small. You can make it according to your requirements. Okay, now step number 5, on page 1 type the type text my book of information in 4 different text boxes and choose the restopic code text box. Resize the text and text boxes and arrange them as shown. So how to insert a text box? Go to insert and this is text boxes. Okay, text box and choose you have to choose a retrospect code, this one. Okay, and how many times we need this? 4 times. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it. Okay, copy and paste 4 times. This is 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now arrange it all. Arrange it. Okay, you have to write here my and arrange. Okay, choose 20 and bold my and here my book and make it size 22 and bold like this, and this one right off and size 22 and bold, and this information size 22. It's not necessary that you put size 22. You can do according to your requirements or page setup. Okay, and make it bold. You have to make it bold. Select it and bold. All done. Okay, next step is insert the picture my book and book of info from your computer to page, resize and rearrange the picture as shown. Now we have to take the pictures. We will go to insert tab and choose pictures. Okay, you have to choose pictures now. My book. Okay, this is the picture. Go to text wrap and square and then resize it. Now again go to insert tab, pictures, select book of info. Now resize text wrap square and then make it small and arrange like this. Okay, so this is all done. Now save and close the document. Now we have to do part 2. Start Word application. Open My Info Book document. Insert page 3 in your document. Okay, you have to insert a third page. So you can press enter. You can press enter, or you can just press Control and Enter key. Now here type the following text on this page. Now you have to type which is given on page number 61 or 62. So start typing. Okay girls, now you have to insert the pictures. Okay, so I'm going to insert the pictures. Insert and pictures one by one. You have to this one. Go to wrap text square. Okay, next picture is insert pictures. This one, make it small, and wrap text square. And then third picture is this one. So wrap text square and here. Okay, now select the entire of these two pages and convert it to 3 columns as shown. Now you have to select this all only till here. Okay, select all these last 2 pages, select and go to layout tab and columns and make it in 3. Okay, like this. Okay, now you have to arrange it like this. Arrange it. You have to arrange like this. Okay, arrange like this. And this one. Okay, okay, now arrange like this and save it. Okay, next step, add the following header and footer to this document and also apply a style to this text. So go to home tab, insert tab, and header and footer. Header and footer should be grid. Okay, header and footer should be grid. uh, Header grid. Okay, here you can write my book of information. My book of my book of information, and here you can write date uh, December 25 2017. Okay, now this is all done. Okay, now again go to insert and choose footer, and for the footer also you have to choose grid, and in grid you can write page number. Okay, it's already given, so that's all. Now style should be intense quote. This style, so you have to choose intense quote. Intense quote. Intense quote. For Okay, for header and footer, you have to set intents code. That's all done. Okay, all done. Now you can save the document and that's it. Close it. Thank you.